My name is Abu Alif and I am from Mumbai. I recently completed my internship at Abhyaz as an SEO Specialist Intern.
Hi, this is Sana from Tamil Nadu. I recently completed my internship as a UI UX designer in the web development team at Abhyaz.
The work culture at Abhyaz is really positive and supportive. I had the opportunity to work on several real-time SEO tasks, which helped me to build my confidence and core skills.
During my internship, I worked mainly on Figma, where I redesigned the About Us page and created a new announcement page. These tasks gave me a better understanding of the user-centered design and how real-world projects are handled.
Apart from SEO, I also explored areas like Canva design, content writing, and social media strategy, which added a lot of value to my overall learning.
Even though it was a remote internship, I always feel supported.
I was really so proud to be a part of the Abhyaz marketing team.
The feedbacks from the mentors really helped me improve my work and stay motivated.
To the future interns, I suggest make the most of your time here. Be curious, try new things, and don't be afraid to ask questions.
I learned a lot about design, collaboration, and even communication. This experience definitely helped me grow both personally and professionally.
Abhyaz is a great place to run, grow, and discover.
To the future interns, I would say take initiative, ask questions, and enjoy the learning process. Abhyaz is a great space to explore your potential. Thank you, Abhyaz.